Alright, so here we are with Unit 9, Lesson number 8, and we're going to look at one of your reference tables, Table M, which is the most common acid-base indicators. An indicator is something that changes color as a result of a change in the pH. So it gives you kind of a general idea of the pH of something based on the range for that particular indicator. And if you look, I'm just going to skip right down here. If you look at Table M, and I'm just going to go through and show you how to read it, you notice that here are the indicators. There are 6 of them. The most common one we use is phenolphthalein. We use that in a titration. It gives you an approximate pH range and then color changes, so it is a little bit confusing as to what's going on here. So let's just quickly run through it. His numbers, his explanation is slightly different than mine, and I'm going to go through that. According to this table, if you have a solution and you put some methyl orange in it, if the pH is 3.1 or less, that would make the solution turn a red color. If the pH is 4.4 or higher, the pH would be yellow. What about if it was in between? Let's say the pH was 3.5. Well, it would be an intermediate color between red and yellow, which of course would be orange. So again, 3.1 or less, it would be red. If the pH is 4.4 or higher, it would be yellow. Now here's the problem. He's saying it a little differently. He's saying that if it was less than 3.1, it would be red, and more than 4.4 is yellow. Now what is that? Why is that a big deal? Well, it really isn't a big deal, except for the fact that if you had a pH of exactly 3.1, you would get 2 different answers. I'm going to go with the way it was before. They changed the numbers. This used to be 3.2. I'm going to stick to my theory that if it's 3.1 or less, it's red. If it's 4.4 or higher, it's yellow. His theory would say if it's less than 3.1, it's red. Or if it's more than 4.4, it's yellow. I'm going to say 3.1 or less is red, 4.4 or higher is yellow. If we do bromthiamyl blue, if the pH is 6.0 or less, it would be yellow. If it's 7.6 or higher, it would be blue. In between would be, of course, a combination of yellow and blue would be green. And that's how you would read this table. I'm not going to go through these, but I will go through a couple of these at the bottom. And whatever we don't finish, you definitely do need to finish before you hand this in. So for example, if we had a solution with methyl orange in it and it had a pH of 6, methyl orange with a pH of 6 would give you a yellow color because that's definitely 4.4 or higher. If you had bromthiamyl blue and the pH is 2, if bromthiamyl blue pH is 2, that would be yellow. And that's basically what you have to be able to do for this lesson.